playing basketball right now, and I got something to show you. Oh boy. So, I have an idea. Let the basketball take us over to where we're going. How's that sound? Yes.
Sorry I'm late. Fox McCloud's here, and this is my favorite channel though. My favorite character from Mario Galaxy. So, let's play the map. I don't know what the title is. I totally forgot. Let's begin. Oh, I love the sound of music. This music's so amazing, isn't that right? Preload version. I don't think RTX one is better, but I keep forgetting anything happened. I love the soundtrack for Portal 1. I was just saying Portal Pro, not gas. Okay, shift, crouch. It should be easy, right? Episode 1, Deucalion. No, I can't read that. We got episode 1 here, first episode. With the gates. Jeez. I just heard everyone knows it every single day when they came home. Sector C research labs. Better than border grid. No, I can't open these doors. Can I open this? Yes, it can. No, not this one. Employee ID password. So many ones and zeros. Thinking with portals.com, portal to mapping community. Okay. Not long enough. Quality control, portal doors mount, E interact. Nice, we got the portal gun, let's go. Okay, it should be easy, right? Like there's something we need it. Feel free to get scheduled. Ow. Alright. Only electrical doors. Alright, up we go. Right, Jerry guy. How did it disappear? No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I know, I was just kidding. Oh, come on. Section N, Robotic Associate Construction Annex. AAB 6209. This door looks okay. Which is like okay. Alright, so how do we make sure we're actually came out worthy? There's Bendy here. Huh. Small Aperture Employee of the Month of the complex. Those are interesting. How about the Wheats Farmers Market? I like the farmers market though. It's in the Pullman Community Center.
Ah, I knew so. Ah! You look terribly good.
No.
Looking good, actually. If I'm honest.
This is not good.
Can you hear that? She's really kicked this place into high gear now.
Yeah.
We've got to get you out of that room. Right. I'm gonna have to hack the door so that we can get at it. You may as well have a little rest actually while I work on it.
I don't have to take a rest, man.
This door's actually pretty complicated.
What?
Good news. Never mind.
Okay.
Ha! It bloody worked! I hacked it, probably hacked.
It bet. Wait, doesn't look like a farmer's market or Pullman Community Center. I don't think so.
Come on, let's go.
What's wrong with the machine?
Just pop a portal right behind me there and come on through to the other side. Oh, nicely done.
Did I do something right? Or did I do something wrong? Like Pro did it. Pro was it right? I'm gonna have the electrical.
Turret redemption lines active. Please avoid alerting. This is a sterile environment. Please refrain from riding on the turret
That
line.
should do it.
Oh gosh. I'm scared.
I'm pretty sure we're going the right way.
Nobody's looking at me.
Sure. The turret factory should be this way, I think.
Nobody's looking. No, sorry. Thank you. Thank you, old man. It should be easy. Old P. Did you stop that? Hang on one sec. I have an idea.
Old P, what's the secret to your success?
Okay. One, good soup. You gotta love the soup you slurp. Attitude. 3, tall girlfriend.
Here it is! The turret factory entrance. We made it! This is the turret manufacturing wing. Just past this is the old neurotoxin production facility. And if we find a way to take them both offline, she's going to be completely helpless, which is ideal. Right. Well, I'm going to take this rail down the back way. Good luck!
Okay, that was good luck. So, I brought this episode 2 of that stuff. The second episode, of course. Can I show it here? No. That was an invisible field. Okay, so how do we make sure to get out of there? Ooh, this one. Danger keep out. No. Good, this one? No. Enrich yourself today. Volunteer for testing. It says Aperture Laboratories. Please indent the nearest employee daycare center for the first bring your daughter to work day activity. Am I supposed to bring my daughter or not? This is for Daddy and Daughter Card Wars from Adventure Time from Cartoon Network. You make work with robots, but you can't take a bullet like one. Alright, so can I do this? No, not that. Turrets. Parts storage, section E1. Bullets. No, this one's locked. Either way. Let me close that door. I don't know what's in here. What do we have? One. Ow. Alright, so... Oh, this one is a disc. Sit back and watch the show. Borealis? Oh, is this from Half-Life? That's so cool. I'm assuming it's just Port of the Flash version Mappack from Portal 1 mod. These pictures are made from Port of the Flash version, I think. Okay, it's too dark. I'm gonna put up the flashlight. Okay, good. That was a flashlight. Okay, this looks like a scary movie, everyone. Okay, and then we turn it off. Perfect. So I don't want to see the scary movies no more. What about the light bridge? Oh, yes, this looks so good. It's overcooked. I already read this. Hard storage, section G frames. Okay. Oh, it's still beyond from now. Got it. Alright. So we're running out of these live turrets. We already did the same thing. We already did the same thing. As an attitude. Oh, I can just use that. Man, what happened to the mannequin?
Come over here. There you are.
Neurotoxin production, authorized personnel. Caution, wear your respirator.
Hello. Put me down. There you are.
Ah,
Are you still there? Please put me down.
I want to hear it, sir. Please leave. Turrets. Come on, please get me out. Get me out. I know Toy Story 1. Okay, good. I don't know what else we have here at the main offices, so should be around the Sam's Club, am I right? Oh, that doesn't sound like it, right? No. Test subject waiting area. Just leave early for today. I was gonna have phone here, but the Cave Johnson Lemons knows about died already. Caution, do not fall down the elevator shaft. Okay? I won't fall. I'm sorry. Well, looks like we're taking too long already. If that's okay. I'll be right back. Hang on one second, this is a saga.
He's hideous, abysmal, treacherous, pathetic. He's everything I want. Everyone judges me, but I'll be the first to say it. I love you, horrendous old man. That's my baby.
Okay, I'm back. Milkshake is right. This is my first day. No one cares about Shrek. Instead of Shrek, alright? It's Shrek! Episode 3, a red letter day. Now, can I just jump to the observation room? Or if I died? Oh yeah. That deadly pit will instantly kill me. Alright. Aperture science, let's work together. Okay. Alright, this is humiliating though. I wonder if there's any of us could be using a tall inch. It's so amazing. Huh. Anybody knows? Can I take this ladder? No. Can I open this gate? No. What is the test chamber? Oh yeah, the puzzles. I wonder if I can just solve puzzles already. Not only just in case though.
Oh, thank God, you're all right.
Oh no.
Humans must have some purpose other than a place to store your neurotoxin.
Oh my goodness.
Something I failed to notice before. An intangible quality that makes their test results significant. That's where you come in.
Yes! GLaDOS came back! Let's go! She's my friend. Let's go. GLaDOS, I'm so happy you came back early. GLaDOS, I'm impressed that you're finally back. I'm surprised that you came back, man. GLaDOS, you're alive. I thought you were dead. But yeah, where's your face? I can't see you from here. Oh yeah, you're not there because this is my own ideas. Oh yeah, just around 4. Got it. It actually came. Most guys don't even know what happened, but should be unlocked, right? Every time my microphone... Every time my microphone died already. Should be easy long enough, right? Well, let's find out. Superpowers!
You did very well.
Thank you.
Now let's continue testing.
Yes. Alright, made it from episode 3. Let's do it again one more time.
Where did it wind up? What's this? What is it?
Alright, so let's get to work. Oh, test chamber 204.
To start preparing for human testing again, I checked an old suggestion box.
Every time I restart the level. Every time I restart the level. 1959, we came back early already. Manson knows about Tom Ashley, and Tony knows about get above each other. So let's try again. Every time noticed in Ghostbusters 2016. Yeah, the Lego movie to the second part. Instead of 2021 of Mortal Kombat 2022 Puss in Boots, The Last Wish, 2023, I don't know what they call it, Mario Bros movie? Yeah. 2024, I don't know what they call this movie, but Doom Part 2, and 2025, that's the one. It has been going for 2 days, the bad guys too. But let's find out what we have here. Episode 4, Residence Cascade.
To start preparing for human testing again, I checked an old suggestion box. The #1 request: less deadly tests.
Sounds interesting.
That's ridiculous. How do they know for sure the tests are deadly if they could still write the suggestion?
GLaDOS, you don't even know where you're doing, didn't you? I mean, you're nice. I don't want to be with you. I heard it from Portal 1 soundtrack though, instead of Mario Galaxy though. If this is the one, the comedies. So get those turrets out. I don't want to be with them. Huh. Pick up? Bro. Really? It's not okay with that. This is a problem. Seriously, this is a problem. I just want to know that there's... I could just go back in. Think about what we're searching for, because there's absolutely none of it. If anyone wants to know, since 2021, the 2010 track, I guess you get it. Wait a minute. Oh, it's missing something. Got it. Right? I don't know, let me just fix that. Oh yeah, it does. Aim it over here. There is a lot of idiots in this world that we have here. Wake up, sunshine! Around here, just because it only costs $100 billion, alright?
All of this. All of this is what I got.
what Mantha knows if she wants me to do it with that. I'm not gonna do that for her every single time.
Turn up the heat with Culver's new jalapeno jackpot burgers.
Yeah, Kelly gets a... Sorry, that's Culver's. It's my own ad. Yeah, Kelly gets a lamb. Am I right, Samantha? Alright, so... Number 3 of 4. This is a 4 for 4 meal at Wendy's.
Did you notice I didn't even stay to the end of your last test?
Yeah?
I was confident you could finish.
Alright. Not episode 5. I don't remember what this is called. Oh, it turns out the orange gel. I still can't believe this is my own. What is this do? Oh, the orange gel. Gotcha. I looked at the tart cores before. Ah. Get me out. Try again and see what happens. Right? Right? Oh, I can't get it back. Okay, I think this should be fine, right? Sure. What am I doing? I think I'm gonna have to rewrite the world. That's my problem. Jump higher? Higher? No. I think that's it, right?
You have a gift for these tests. That's
am?
not just flattery. You are great at science.
I appreciate that, GLaDOS. Yeah, that you're my best friend. GLaDOS is my own best friend. No one else is gonna be my GLaDOS. GLaDOS was my favorite robot ever. I'm not kidding. She's my old friend.
Hey there, guys. It's me, Mantha. And guess what I have for you today?
Congratulations on completing that test. But something seems off.
Ready? Are you set? Are you ready to see the surprise I have for you?
Sorry, I sat around here, but I'll let her know. Alright, so episode 6, Freeman. Wait, who's Freeman? Oh, it's from Half-Life. I played Half-Life 0 before. GLaDOS, can you hear me? Can you hear me? What's wrong? What's wrong with the sign? And the door?
Something is wrong. This door should be opening.
Can you open the door for me? Ah! What's going on? GLaDOS?
Oi, oi!
Ah.
I'm up here!
Don't worry, GLaDOS. I'm gonna find you.
You're okay? Great, come on!
I'll find you, GLaDOS.
Run! Come on, I'm closing the door!
Don't worry, GLaDOS.
Hold on.
I'll call you. I'll call you.
I'll meet you on the other side!
Don't worry, GLaDOS. I'll call you. Alright, we got Gamma, it's for Gamma Energy from Portal 1 mod. That should be far enough. I wonder if there's anyone to go home to go open this door. And not just because any of that, I'm talking to myself. Instead of replacements around here. Oh, look at that! Look at the United States of America! Just like a British North-South... Just like a North Korean South America.
Ah! Brilliant! You made it through. Well done. Okay, follow me. We've still got work to do. At least you can't touch us back here.
Alright, let me read this. Know your paradoxes in the event of rogue AI. Step 1. Alright, 1. Stand still. 2. Remain calm. 3. Scream. Which one of these paradoxes are repairable? Caution, do not lean on railing.
You have to get to the catwalk behind me!
I'm not.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Have you got an idea? Okay, well, alright, just do your idea and then come straight back.
Alright then. Assemble with this case as soon as possible. I wonder what this door came from here. No. It should be on the wall, right?
Oh, brilliant! That's brilliant! Okay, this way. Okay, we have to split up here for a moment. Portal up to that passage and I'll see you on the other side.
I don't know, how do I get out? Wait, I have an idea. For the last 2 months ago, Caroline is the only one taking a speech. No matter what is the deal. Wait a second. Did I did bad things about it? What are your mom tells about? Oh, gasoline over there. Got it. Ow. How adorable this is. Can I reach over here? No. No, that's not gonna work though. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, brother. Not tonight until I reach the climax this one. Are you ready? Are you steady? Because I'm gonna have to play. Congratulations. Because I'm gonna have to find out what to deal with those. I have an idea. It should be around here, right? No! Oh! That would scare me though. Just like...
Okay, we have to split up here for a moment. Portal up to that passage and I'll see you on the other side.
Okay, let's try again. Attempt number 2. It wouldn't do that, right? Okay, go. Alright, good as well. Elevator surface.
Hey! You made it! Can you reach that wall back there?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, so I've got an idea, but it is bloody dangerous. Here we go.
What now?
Ow! Ow!
Did you just drop by yourself?
Are you still there? Could you pick me up, do you think? Oh, brilliant, thank you, great.
Fine.
Okay, down these stairs. What's happening? Okay. Keep moving, keep moving.
Alright, we're here to bring your daughter to work day. Wait, bring your cat to work day? Where's the bring your daughter to work day?
Ha! I knew we were going the right way! Plug me into that stick on the wall over there. I'll show you something.
Bro, I had enough of this. What would happen if there's so many princesses in a way if there's Mario Galaxy? I know Princess Daisy, Princess Peach, and Rosalina. Yeah, that's kinda adopted. Looks like Princess Peach here.
Go on, just jam me in.
my idea.
Now, escape pod.
Am I interrupting your important conversation?
Uh-oh.
No!
What are you two doing?
I don't. Okay. Listen. All right,
You lied.
I'm
You're lying.
actually asking because I have no
Bounce, you
idea.
gotta help me
He's
get
not
out of
listed
here.
anywhere in the employee database.
Really tricked me.
Whatever he does, it isn't important enough for anyone to bother writing it down. For all I know, he doesn't even work here.
I think she's lying.
It seems kind of silly to point this out,
You
since
lied
you're
to
running
me.
around plotting to destroy me. But I'd say we're done testing. Before you leave, why don't we do one more test, for old time's sake?
I will. Klaus, I will. It's not looking good. I already died already. This is for old time's sake.
Without the consequence of death, is this even science?
Oh yeah, I see. What's going on? be long enough, right? Huh, what else is in here? The longest upstairs? Should be easy around here, but this is not. Thank you. I know what happens every single time that we have to tell us what happened. If it happens all the time, but this is not okay with us. So that is it from the mod here, and I thank you guys for coming already, and hope you enjoyed for you guys. Enjoy the weekend and summer activities. But unfortunately, let me pause that, and I'll let you know if that was a deal. I gotta finish this my own designer.